Today we are going to learn Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a popular board game played with marbles. Today you learn objective, gameplay, and all the rules of games. Chinese checkers can be played by 2, 3, 4, or 6 players. Objective. The aim of the game is to be the first player to move all 10 pegs across the board and into the triangle opposite. The first player to occupy all 10 destination holes is the winner. If you play with 6 players, then you have to take your tokens in place of the player in front of you. Same with 4-player. Equipment. A Chinese checkers board with 121 holes arranged in a star-shaped pattern. 60 marbles or pieces in 6 different colors, 10 pieces of each color. Board setup. Chinese checkers uses a special board that looks like a 6-pointed start. There are lots of places in the star where marbles fit. Each player has 10 colored marbles that start out inside the point of the star. You can buy Chinese checkers board online, link in description box. Gameplay. Decide who goes first. You can use dice, draw lots, or agree among players. Move 1 peg starting with the first player. Pegs move 1 space each turn and must be moved into an empty space. Pegs may move in any direction. The goal is to get the peg to the triangle directly opposite the starting triangle. Jump a peg if the adjacent space is open. A peg can continue jumping as long as there are pegs to jump over. Players may jump any pegs. A turn ends when a piece completes its move or series of jumps. Pieces are moved towards the opposite triangle. Once a peg reaches an open space in a player's destination triangle, it cannot be moved out of that triangle for the remainder of the game, but it can be moved within the triangle. How to win. The first player to get all 10 of their pegs into the opposite triangle wins. I hope now you understand how to play Chinese checkers. Chinese checkers is a fun game to play. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, MG Games. Don't forget to press the bell icon.